Hey guys, it's Nick, also known as Zippy Zombo. Today I'm going to be doing all the door closers in this cool part of my church, which is huge. So, I'm going to be the only one here, so let's get this started. I'm going to lock this door back. Okay, this is the first one. Yeah, do it again. Got back check. This closer used to hit on the door till I preloaded it a little bit more because it wasn't preloaded right. Still doesn't completely close the door, but it works. Alright, the next closes I'll be showing you will be throughout the building. So, yeah. Oh, there's a Firelight BG12 for all you fire alarm people. Alright, here we go. Sorry for the bad lighting on this one. These are Globals. And I'm in a gym, so I can't turn on the lights because they use a lot of power and the ballasts are bad, so. The arm is loose. And every time I tighten it, it just gets loose again. So I just don't really tighten it. And here's the other one. Not as loose of an arm. Alright. Once again, sorry for the bad lighting, but I won't be testing these because sometimes these doors, since they're never used, they have latching issues. So I'm not going to be doing that. Here's a Firelight BG12 and a Spectre Alert Classic with the giant spiderweb over it. Once again, sorry for the bad lighting. This one's almost invisible, but I can't turn on the gym lights. Here's the other one. This here is where my Sargent door closer came from. It came from this door because the frame was messed up, but now the frame's fixed, so I'm going to have to put the door back on, or somebody's going to have to help me with it. So here's the other door closer. Sorry for the bad lighting, that light doesn't work. This one is very slow because it doesn't really have any need to go very fast. Yep, that's it. And I believe that sound you heard was closer. Wow, okay. This one is fast. I just noticed. Oh my gosh. This closer has leaked before, but still closes just fine. Okay, I lied. It's a little fast. Okay, it's pretty fast, but it closes. This one's good, but this door has to be closed first. This closer's arm, or the shoe, is mounted too close to the pinion, in my opinion. For some reason this one's latch is covered like that, so I'm just gonna have to leave it. And it does have a very late latch speed. This one has a lot of back check. If you didn't hear it, it sounded like it's about to break the door. I can't test that one because it's got some kind of a remote lock kind of thing on it, so yeah. And this is for the fire alarm people. Here's the Silent Night fire alarm annunciator. I don't know where the main panel is. These doors lock themselves. So. This one's arm does rub on the door, like not just the mid, not this the right there, but a lot of it does. As you can see, the arms need to be tightened. A lot of these closers need the arms tightened. Here's the other two globals. That was a weird sound. This closer here, I would always notice, even whenever I was in first and second grade when I went here, that this door would latch slower than some of the other doors here. As you can see, it always has latched like that, even since I was in first and second grade when I was in here, because it's a private school, that's why. So I always remember that this door would close slower than just about any other door. And I also noticed that the fire alarms in the bathrooms are just strobes and not horn strobes. I even noticed that way back then. So, yeah. Sorry for the bad lighting on this one. That light doesn't work. Sorry for the bad lighting again, this light doesn't work very well either. That sound you hear that sounds like hinges, it's actually the door closer. The sergeants make that sound for some reason. This one has a very late latch, like the latch speed happens after it starts latching, like it hits the latch. See how it pulls it. This closer has no arm screw. Alright, so you've seen this one before, but I'm just leaving, and I just wanted to... I'm just trying to look at something on this closer. It's almost like it doesn't have enough preload still, but... It's got a lot of back check. as you can see, I'm pushing really hard right now. So we're locking up. Alright, it's all closed up. Get the key. Okay, maybe. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.